Shall we tell the children a story?
Oh yes, let's have a story. I'd like that. What's that story called?
It's called Rosie's Walk, and it's by Pat Hutchins. Rosie the hen went for a walk. Across the yard.
Across the yard?
Around the pond.
Around the pond?
Over the haycock.
Over the haycock?
Past the mill.
Past the mill?
Through the fence.
Through the fence?
Under the beehives.
Under the beehives?
And got back in time for dinner.
Back in time for dinner? Well, that's a nice story. But is that it? Nothing else happened?
Well, actually, there is something that I haven't told you.
Ah.
Would you like to be Rosie?
Me? Be Rosie in the story?
You look a bit like a hen.
Oh, thank you.
It's all right. Here's a mask. Put it on. And I will put on this.
That's a fox.
A very hungry fox. Let's start again.
Rosie's Walk by Pat Hutchins. This is Rosie the hen, and this is the fox, the very hungry fox. This is the story. Rosie the hen went for a walk. Across the yard. The fox also went across the yard. What will happen to the fox? See the rake? The fox doesn't see the rake. Oh no, poor fox, hit by the rake. Rosie the hen went around the pond. The fox also went around the pond. What will happen to the fox? No, poor fox. The fox fell into the pond. Rosie the hen went over the haycock. The fox also went over the haycock. What will happen to the fox? Oh no, the fox was buried under the haycock. See the fox under the haycock? She went past the mill. The fox also went past the mill. Look at the flower. It's going to fall. Oh no, the flower is all over the fox. She went through the fence. The fox also went through the fence. But wait! Look! There is a cart. Oh no! The fox fell onto the cart. See the beehives? Rosie went under the beehives. The fox also went under the beehives. Oh no! Be careful of the bees! The bees went after the fox. They chased him down the hill. What about Rosie? She got back in time for dinner. Poor Fox. He wasn't too lucky, was he? What about Rosie? Do you still remember all the places Rosie went? This is where Rosie lives. Rosie the hen went for a walk. First, across the yard. Second, around the pond. Next, over the haycock. And next, past the mill. And then through the fence. What next? Under the beehives. Yes, that's right. Finally, she got back in time for dinner. And she's home. Well done, Rosie. How many animals did you see in the story? How many animals? Do you remember? Let's see. Fox, hen, what else? Frogs, butterfly, bird, mice, goat, otter. What else? Squirrel. Yes, squirrel. Who's got it right? Where were the animals in the story? Let's see. The frogs were on the rocks. The bird was on the tree. The butterfly was on the flower. The mice were on the haycock. The goat was in the field. The otter was in the flowers. The squirrel was on the tree. And what about the bees? The bees were in the hives. They were angry and they flew up in the air. Fox, run! Run for your life! Run!